Hello everyone, it's Gebretawo Olale from Cloudpreneur here, and I'm just here to show you an app that I built on AWS PartyRock. And yeah, you must have heard of, AI, you must have heard of LLM, you must have heard of RAG and all of that. But this is an app on AWS that you can use to build other applications, chatbots. You know, PartyRock in its own way is an experimental platform by AWS that lets you quickly build and share AI powered apps. You don't need any coding knowledge. No coding is required at all. So all you have to do is just to drag and drop widget like text, generators, images. That's what you need. So this app is really good for prototyping, creating projects and exploring AI without the need to really deploy the infrastructure. So I'm going to take care of the app that I built, a health advisor app. So this app will tell you, if you give it your symptoms, it will tell you some of the solutions to it, and will give you a general guidance and suggestions about condition. So the app that I built will actually tell you about that health issue that you have, provide some healthy lifestyle, for you, that you can just change in order to improve your health. And you can receive a friendly reminder and advice about seeing a doctor when necessary. I just want you to know that this app that I built is not a substitute for medical advice. And this app does not give you a diagnostic tool or any approach. So you still have to see your doctor. So it's not a substitute for medical advice. It's not for diagnosis, or it's not even a treatment from a qualified healthcare provider. This is coming from a bot that has been trained. So it is really designed to help you learn more about your health issue. So I will quickly take you through the app. But the question you need to ask yourself is, why Party Rock? Why do you have to go, use Party Rock? Number one, Party Rock is good for fast prototype without coding. Number two, it is hosted and scalable. That's what AWS gives you for free. So the app that I've built now is called a health helper. So when you come here, when you open it, I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can come directly to the app and make use of it. So when you get here on the health helper app, describe your health question, describe your health issue. For example, I can say, I need an advice on how to sleep better. That is the question. So after typing your question, just wait for it to, answer, and it will come up with this, that okay, I'm here to help you with your health questions. I provide you general guidance and all of that. Now you need to provide the app your symptoms. That's what you need to provide so that you can get an accurate answer. Symptoms right here. So from what I've written, this is about someone that's, you know have this sleep disorder, let me say. So, they have a loud chronic snoring, often interrupted by pauses in breathing during sleep. This is noticed by others, obviously. The app that I've built now will prefer a possible solution. So once you put your symptoms there, all you have to do is just to enter, and it will generate all necessary solutions to your problem. This can actually come handy before you see your medical practitioner, especially in a community or a country whereby you don't have the opportunity to see a health practitioner easily, or you don't have that opportunity to get an appointment quickly. So you can just come on this app and just type in your health issue, and it will you know give you some results. So this is a very cool app that anybody can build, and there's a column here too that you can actually upload a file, maybe your doctor's report or something. You can just upload it here. From there, you can get more accurate answer to your question. And anybody can build this app. It's free to build. All you have to do is just to come generate app here. Then you type in the type of app you want to build and click on generate. And in less than 5 seconds, you have your new app. So this is Party Rock, and let's just get the party started. Let's rock it together. All thanks to AWS. I'll see you at the next one. Thank you.